Today I'll be making chicken tacos. What I have here, corn tortillas. They're the smallest size you can get. And it comes in a packet like that. Then over here we have chicken meat cut in little pieces. It's all seasoned and cut it in very small pieces here. And also I cut little bell peppers, red and white bell peppers to mix with it. It's all seasoned and cut in little pieces here. And we have half cup cheese, cheddar cheese, shredded, 1 whole tomato, cut in little cubes, half cup white onions, chopped, half cup lettuce, shredded, 1 tablespoon cilantro, chopped, 1 lime, sliced, 1 tablespoon sour cream, that's my sour cream there, and 1 whole avocado. I cut my avocado in little pieces, then I add some lemon juice to that so it won't turn brown. And also you're going to be needing 2 tablespoons olive oil. Okay, I have my olive oil in my skillet here. I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken to my oil. I'm going to fry this over low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. My chicken's coming out really good. You have to make sure your chicken is fully cooked. So I'm going to give another 5 minutes. Make sure all the water we have here dries up before we can have our taco ready. I have a hot plate here. I'm going to just do a little drop of olive oil to my hot plate. Add my tortilla to my hot plate here. I'm not cooking my tortilla because it's already pre-cooked, so what I'm doing is warming them up. Just do 1 turn and you should have your tortilla ready. There you go. I have my tortilla placed on my dinner plate here. I'm ready to do my taco mix. Taco is a very great idea for children's party. You can heat your tortilla in a hot plate, cook your chicken, then you have your side dishes all ready, and you do your mix however you prefer. You can use tomatoes, avocados, cheese, cilantro, chilies, whatever you want you can do, depends on your taste. So what I have here is my tortillas. I'm going to go ahead and add some taco meat to my tortilla here. There you go. There you go. So I have my taco meat, so I'm going to add some little onions to that. Add my tomatoes, little lettuce, some cheese, cilantro. If you love avocado, you can add avocado on top of that. That's my avocado right there. There you go. And to top it off with sour cream. So I have chicken taco here. I'm going to go ahead and just add a little bit of salsa to my chicken taco. That's my salsa sauce there. I'm going to just do a little drop there. There you go. And dress this with cut piece of lime. There you go. And I'm ready to serve. Here we have chicken taco. Came out really great. If I do a close-up, you can see my cheese. I dressed this with salsa and lime, slice of lime. I have avocado, cheddar cheese, lettuce, sour cream, tomatoes, white onions. Very delicious. This taco is good for any occasion. Great party idea. You can just warm up your hot plate, cook your chicken, have your side dishes ready, and your guests can help themselves with their choices of how they want to dress their taco. Again, thank you very much for watching.